What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennium Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to do a dividend portfolio update. If you guys are hyped for this video, please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel, and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you want to follow the journey, hit that subscribe button down below. We post here at least once a week going over our dividend portfolio. And I also want to hear how your portfolios are doing, so let me know down in the comment section below. So, getting right into this, my portfolio is currently sitting at $26,326.62. On Friday, we had a pretty decent day. We were up about 2.2%. It's just about $570 or so on the day, so not too shabby there. In the past week, since the last update, we're down about $139, which is around a half a percentage. So not too bad, pretty flat. And let's just go over for the past month while we have it here. We're up about 2.36%, which is a little over $600. So pretty good on that front also, because October was a pretty decent month for stocks. But what happened this week in the portfolio? So I did receive a dividend from QYLD, which in return bought me just under 2 more shares. So now we are currently sitting and we have 154.3 shares of QYLD, with we're down over 19% on the position, so not great there. But let's see. So we were able to get 1.54 shares from the last dividend that we received. So pretty good there. I'm really hoping we could get 2 shares every single month from these QYLD dividends when they keep on reinvesting. It will really bring up this dividend snowball. Last week we also sold 2 covered call options. So the first one was on Intel, which is what we do every single week. First one was on Intel, and we received, let's see here, I believe it was, we received $9 from that covered call. So not too great there, but it is still passive income, and it still does help out the portfolio. And the next one that we sold the covered call on, was on Ford. Here we go. And this one, I think we only sold it for $1, honestly. So the covered call market, not too great for us in the last week. Hopefully we will get a little bit more this week coming up, but I will update you guys there. So yeah, we only got $1 for this contract. I didn't want to, because the market has been doing so well, in the past month or so, it's been doing well. I didn't want to overextend and have to sell these shares. So I really want to hold on to Ford, and I really want to hold on to Intel. They offer great dividends, in my opinion, and there are good companies to hold, in my opinion. So Ford, as you can tell, is down about 31.5% in the past year. My average cost is sitting at $16.15. The current price of Ford is sitting at $13.50. I have over 100 shares. It's about 5.6% of my portfolio. So not bad there. That's kind of where I want to keep it. So right now, I do have almost $1,700 in buying power. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it, honestly. So right now it's just collecting interest. I do have Robinhood Gold, so it is collecting about 3% interest every single year on this money that I have, and they pay out monthly on that. So right now I am just holding it as cash, and we'll see how it does. We'll see if any good opportunities come up. I definitely think I want to add more into Microsoft. Here we have Microsoft sitting at $221 now, down almost 35% on the year. I only have 5 shares, which is about 4.49% of my portfolio. I definitely want to get that up. If I could get this to 7, maybe 10% of my portfolio, that would be awesome. I'm down already about 7.44% on Microsoft. My average cost is sitting at $239.02. So I bought in somewhere around here. So not too bad. We are thinking about this as a long-term play. This is not a dividend play. They do offer a small dividend, but it's really nothing to brag home about. But now let's go over to our spreadsheet. Remember, this spreadsheet is from Ryan Williams, and let's just take a look at how the portfolio is doing. So our cost basis is sitting at $27,865.28, and the current market value is $24,644.67. So we are down about 11.56% in this portfolio. Our dividend yield is sitting at 5.51%, but our yield on cost is only 4.87%, and that is because we are down. So the dividend yield is pretty high just because the market is down. So I do want to get this dividend yield to maybe about 4.5%. That's what my target is going to be for long term. But I am bringing in about $1,357.44 on an annual basis, which translates to $113.12 on a monthly basis, $26.10 on a weekly basis, and $3.72 on a daily basis. So I definitely want to bring that up. It would be really nice to see this number hit $10 on the daily, that would be really awesome to see, in my opinion. But let's take a look at total annual dividend income for the year, sitting at $832.06, which this is lower than it actually is. And because of that, we did switch our spreadsheets here, and we weren't able to translate all the positions over. So we did receive about probably over $1,100 in dividends so far this year, which at the end of the year, in December, I will record a video about every dividend I received, how much I received total for the year, and hopefully we could beat that in 2023. So going on to our covered call passive income. So like I said, for last week, we got $10 so far for the month of November. So that was just the first week. It was a little bit lower than my average. My average I'm shooting for is about $20 per week. So this was a little bit lower. We'll see if we can make that up somewhere else in another week this month. But we will see how that goes. But I'm pretty happy with the covered call passive income that I'm receiving just from these two stocks in particular. Yes, I would love to see more, but right now all this extra passive income is just going to be reinvested into more and more shares, which will give us more and more dividends. And one thing I did forget, we're going to go back to here, I also bought one more share of SCHD. So we are currently sitting at 10.6 shares of SCHD. Remember, I am investing $75 every single week into SCHD. Right now, my average cost is sitting at $70.76, and the current cost is $73.44. So we are up on the position, almost 4%, which is only $28. But this one is sitting at 3% of my portfolio. I really want to bring this up to 10, maybe even 20% at some point. But for right now, I am pretty happy with getting my 1+ share every single week. So we're currently sitting at 10.6 shares. We're really looking forward to this dividend that we're going to be getting from this one. I'm really excited to see how much that one is. But that is going to about wrap up the video for this week, guys. If you guys did enjoy it or took anything away from it, please make sure you smash that like button. Also, if you guys want to see a video on covered calls, exactly what they are, how you can make money from them passively, let me know down in the comments. I can definitely make that video for you guys. I do appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!